The Isle of Wight Confederate Monument to the Confederate Dead was proudly dedicated on May 30th, 1905, in front of the original county courthouse. It had been raised by 5 local men who had formed the Isle of Wight Monument and Memorial Association in 1900 as an enduring memorial to the gallant Southern heroes who courageously defended states' rights, their homes, and their families during the war between the states. After 115 years, the monument was disassembled from the courthouse grounds and subsequently reassembled and rededicated here on this private land on November 6, 2021. The Isle of Wight Monument and Memorial Association was similarly reinstated and now owns, preserves, protects, and controls the monument. This noble memorial honors the steadfast sons of Isle of Wight County, the veterans of units such as the 16th Virginia Infantry, who valiantly repelled a massive northern invasion on sacred Virginia soil, exemplifying the timeless virtues of duty, honor, and unbreakable resilience that still uplift descendants today in this historic cradle of American liberty, just 30 miles south of Jamestown, in one of the nation's original 8 shires, founded in 1634.